Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about the prime numbers. The prime number is a number that is greater than 1 and divided by 1 or itself. In other words, prime numbers can't be divided by other numbers than itself or 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are the prime numbers. So let's see the example of prime numbers. So for this we will declare int n, comma I, comma m is equal to 0 and we need a flag. Initially this one also 0. So cout, enter any number. So we will ask the user to enter the number and we'll assign this number to n. Now m is equal to n by 2 and we will have one for loop. I is equal to 2, I is less than or equal to m and I plus plus. Now inside this for loop we will declare cout statement. No, not cout statement. We need to declare first condition, that is if n mod I is equal to 0. So this is not a prime number. Number is not prime. And here we will set the flag as 1. Then we will call the break statement which will jump out of the loop. Now after the for loop we will check that if flag is equal to 0, then inside that we will put another statement, cout number is prime, return 0. So this is the example to check the prime number. Whenever I run the code, it will ask me to enter any number. Like if I enter 20, so obviously it is not a prime number. So number is not prime. Now if I enter 19, then it's a prime number. So number is prime. So in this way we can check the prime numbers. So thank you and bye bye.